got the Glossybox Valentine's Beauty Edit to share with you. Plus, I got a discount code for non-subscribers as well. Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome, my name is Claire. I've got the gorgeous Glossybox Valentine edit to share with you. You'll find links to it down below in my description, as well as discount codes and offers to other websites. So you're welcome to take a look down there if you want to. So this edit was released a couple of days ago. It is worth £150. It contains 9 beauty products and the cost of the box is £45. If you are a subscriber to the monthly beauty subscription box, once you sign into your account at checkout, you'll automatically receive £15 off, bringing it down to £30. Glossybox has also shared a code with me, so instead of non-subscribers paying £45 for their box, they can get it for £35, so £10 off if they use code VIP10, and there was no mention of it being a limited time offer. So yeah, so let's get on to showing you what's inside. It's really cute. I love the design of this. Look at the back there. I love things like this. So it actually looks like a letter. You can put an address on there and then it opens up like an envelope. It is really cute, isn't it? And that's what it looks like. I haven't had a look inside yet. I've got a QR code, so I'll scan that. Okay, it doesn't work. I don't know why not, but it says an error when I scan the QR code. It'd just be telling us more information about the products inside the box, but if there's anything I've never heard of before, haven't got a clue what it is, then I'll look it up online and let you know anyway. Celebrate self-love this Valentine's Day with our limited edition box. Filled with luxurious treats, these hand-picked treats have been curated to pamper, inspire and empower. Scan to discover more about your new products. Can't do that. Starting off, we have got Frank Body. This is a caffeinated scalp scrub. And there's 125 mils here. I was always put off by these. In my mind, I was thinking my hair's quite thin, it's quite fine, and I'm also starting to lose it as well. I don't shed, but I'm starting to thin and my hairline is becoming wider and wider. So I was thought, if I'm going to be massaging that onto my head, yes, it's going to stimulate blood flow to the scalp, which encourages growth and healthy hair. But then what if it like scrubs off my weak thin hairs? In my mind I was thinking, no, it'll make my hair worse. No, it doesn't, and as I've just said, it's really great for stimulating hair growth. It says use 3 times a week, 95% naturally derived. It says tested on babes, not bunnies. So we've got a caffeinated scrub for your scalp there. We got a perfume from Ghost, Eau de Toilette, and there's 10 mils. Love the bottle. I've received this so many times in different beauty boxes. I can't always remember what the smell is like. Yeah, it's a, I'd say it's a fruity floral. Oh, it's Ghost Deep Night. It's not as strong as I was expecting it to be, which is quite nice actually. I don't like overpowering, really strong scents. I love to be able to smell myself and for others to smell me, I suppose. But yeah, I don't like anything that's really overpowering that I'm like, oh, give me a headache, you know, that type of thing. We've got a 10 ml perfume by Ghost. Bobbi Brown. This is Crushed Oil Infused Gloss in Love Letter. Because I can't read the QR code, I'm not sure if we'll receive the same or not. That is really lovely. That is really, really nice. Nice flush of pink. I'm dying to smell it. It probably smell of nothing, but no, it doesn't smell of anything. But no, that's pretty. I like that. What's it? Crushed Oil Infused Gloss. Then we've got a GenSee Spectator Sport Mascara. I haven't heard of this brand before. Cruelty-free, vegan, no fragrance, no nanoparticles. It's a clean, high-performance mascara that curls, thickens and lengthens. Lashes to frame the eyes. It's water-resistant. So what is GenSee? I always get confused with this. GenSee, is that my children? I'm Gen X, I think, aren't I? I'm not a millennial. Yeah, I think I'm Gen X. And my kids are Gen Zs. I'm going to show my age, the fact that I get confused by it. I keep forgetting. I keep thinking I'm Gen Z, but I'm not. So we've got a mascara. It looks alright, but as we know in mascaras, you just don't have a clue, do you, until you try it. Then we've got Beauty Works. This is a heat protection spray and shield for heat up to 180 degrees. And there's 50 mils here. I'm not sure if I've tried this one before. I have got one, but I think it's a thickening, like lifting root one. But this is a really handy size to take away with me. We don't often get heat protection sprays in beauty boxes, so I always find if I'm off for the weekend or a night away or something like that, I want to wash my hair, always use a heat protection spray on my hair. That, yeah, it's one of those products that I'm constantly buying all the time. So when I see them at this size, I'm like, oh, okay, so yeah, no, that's handy. That would be going in my little travel bag. I haven't got a travel bag. It's a big box full of like my little travel minis. Protects hair and extensions from colour fade whilst minimising heat damage. Yeah, it's a lightweight spray there. Hopefully it's all right. Then we've got Peter Thomas Roth, and this is Firm Peeling Gel. Visibly exfoliates by rolling, lifting and sweeping away impurities, and it's 15 mils there. Apply a generous amount on clean dry skin, gently massage in a circular motion to visibly exfoliate. Rinse well with water. So there's that. Then we've got number 7. Is this sealed? Yes, it is. It's a Sunset Trio eyeshadow by number 7. That's so weird. I've never seen any beauty boxes besides Boots themselves have any number 7. Not that I can think of anyway, because it's not a brand that you would find like on Look Fantastic or Cult Beauty, or I don't think Glossybox sells beauty products individually on their website. So let's see what the colours are like. They look quite nice. They're very subtle shades, so they're not highly pigmented. If you love your nudie shading, like barely there, makeup with just like a hint of a colour, then yeah, this would be lovely. So for me, great as like a base, especially the darker shade there, like applying it all over my eye and then just like blending it all out. So we got Sunset Trio eyeshadow. And then lastly, we've got Illamasqua. This is Matte Veil. It's a mattifying primer. 30 mils here. We're used to seeing the Hydra Veil, the more hydrating, dewy look type primer. But yeah, this is for mattifying your skin. The packaging is beautiful, isn't it? It's so lovely with Illamasqua. A little spatch. Oh, bloody hell. I had it in my mind that it would be the same as like the Hydra Veil. It's like a gorgeous, cold, sort of jelly sort of primer. But no, it's a really liquidy cream. Can you see? I don't want to tip it further. But let's try a little bit on my hand, even though I've just splattered it everywhere. On my jeans, on the floor, everywhere. I'll just close that. It says create a long-lasting shine-free base with this intensely mattifying formula. It primes the skin while producing a matte finish. And that's it, basically. Oh, so it's all in my rings and everything. So as my skin is sort of normal to dry at the moment, then I might see if my daughter would like this one. I tend to prefer more of a glowy, dewy, shiny look then. But yeah, maybe my daughter would like that. I can feel it's like mattifying down straight away. Right, so there you go. There's all the products in the Glossybox Valentine's edit. I'll just go through it all, giving you a bit of a recap. Oh, I forgot the last thing, and the reason I forgot it is because it doesn't fit in the box. It comes outside the box. So it's a massive spray. This is by Schwarzkopf Professional. This is OSiS Plus. It's a smooth and shine sparkler. So it's a shine spray to put on damp and dry hair. 500 mils. Massive, isn't it? I haven't heard of this one before. Instant shine, non-overburdening. Anti-frizz, detangling, light conditioning, helps to protect against humidity. So yeah, so you'll also get that as well. Okay, so going back then, recap. We've got the Frank Body Caffeinated Scalp Scrub. We've got 10 mils of Ghost Deep Night perfume. We've got Bobbi Brown Crushed Oil Infused Gloss in Love Letter. We've got Beauty Works Heat Protection Spray. Peter Thomas Roth Firm Peeling Gel. We've got a GenSee Mascara. We've got a Sunset Trio eyeshadow by number 7. Illamasqua Matte Veil Skin Primer. And then lastly we've got OSiS, a Shine and Detangling Spray by Schwarzkopf Professional. If you are a subscriber, you could get this box for £30. Or if you're a non-subscriber and you use code VIP10, you can get it for £35, and it has a value of £150. I would love to know your thoughts. What do you think of it? Have you bought it, or are you watching this, you're not too sure if you want it or not? I'd love to hear your thoughts, so please comment down below. But thanks for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Take care. Bye.